seeming one rider per seat and 5 riders per log. When instructed, please pull down on your lap bar. Holds and remain seated. Beyond the flagship flicker of a silver screen, we enter a moving melodrama. Beyond the flagship tree, at the little bit you know.
And so, as the squeaky wheels of our saga grind on, will our hero give chase?
Oh, I can barely sing it. Yeah. With daylight delay, whiplash finds now definitely time. Don't let it go out to pieces. I say, you're going the wrong way. Oh, I lost my train of thought. Is there? Has anyone seen my oars? I went that away. Yeah, I'll save it.
Rising to the occasion, our escalating danger draws us right into Snidely's crossfire.
Whoops! Get up! There's no house, sir. Oh, it's pretty soaked. Ah, squirting! No, squirting! Blood and soul, and a movie melodrama code through the medical blues. He found that a paper in can is with two and bush. Me either, sir.
Remain seated in your log, keeping your hands and feet inside at all times.
And so our hero proves a Mountie always gets his man, but not always his girl.
Remain seated in your log until an attendant instructs
Please remain seated in your log, keeping your hands and feet inside at all times. And so our hero proves a Mountie always gets his man, but not always his girl.